This conference will now be recorded.
So, guys, I hope you people remember this page. FB50, multiple invoice posting. Our company is HE01. So the 9 o'clock batch BL01, the 8 o'clock batch HE01. The only difference company code. The properties, everything is same. So in FB50, I just post one document. I choose document date, text, expenses, paid, and jail account. Right, చూడండి. I choose rent paid jail account 42001, debit amount, for example 10,000, the credit jail account 200701, check issue, credit 10,000. Simulate icon. What's entry? Rent paid to check issue and save. Document 32 posted. The same document which we choose in LSNW, which we choose in LSNW. Like, don't write, I will share this recording. Just view the one. /n LSMW. First, I chose Z, functional base, user defined application. G, GL posting. Company code HE01 and source structure 01. Project, subproject, object. Now, execute. Maintain object attributes. So, batch input recording. Go to recording overview, recording, create recording icon. Any changes of master data now? ఇంతమంది మాస్టర్ చేసినప్పుడు కానీ ఇప్పుడు కానీ చేంజెస్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? Code only change, but the properties, procedure, everything is same. And I chose transaction code. ఇంతకుముందు మనం ఏ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ కోడ్ చూసాం? Before we choose F, while creating master data, we choose FS01. So before we choose posting FB50, I choose the same transaction code FB50. FB50. Enter the same page. Document date and text, expenses paid, jail account 42001, debit 5,000. Just I mentioned the value. And 200701, credit 5,000. Save. So even in GL, once we create GL, whenever we save the data, it shows GL master data fields. What's that? GL master data fields. These and all transaction data fields. These and all transaction data fields. Guys, ఒక్క నిమిషం. Guys, rerun the application. FB50. Document date, expenses paid, save. So select recording, default all, save. So observe, in GL it shows GL fields. So in transaction data it shows transaction data key fields. Transaction data key fields. So how to map these fields? How to map these fields? Like see here, right button click here, download. So spreadsheet, enter. What's the file name? Like GL data dot, what's the format? XML dot XML format. I choose the desktop. XLS format lo undi. Right? Generate. Now check your desktop, GL data. So directly open in Excel format. Right. Here we required these fields. Right? And I remove this data. So this data is not at all required for ours. And what are the fields? So what we will do, we add the data type and length of the property. So first I chose two more fields, like first field properties, data type and length, description, length and description. So here data type C. C means character. And first here observe the date format. How many characteristic? 10 character. Right? Even police byte వైపు ఉంటుంది చూడు ఆపే. Switches lo third switch. Even police stop also will countable characteristic. So ఒకసారి డేట్ లో ఎన్ని క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ అని చెక్ చేయండి. డేట్ లో ఎన్ని క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 2 + 1 3, 3 + 3 6, 6 + 4 10. I chose 10 character. And INR, how many character? 3 character. Again 10. Expenses paid, I mentioned 50 character will narration. Maybe some of the cases small narration, some of the cases big narration. I chose 50 characteristic. And GL account number, how many characteristic? 6 number. And again 6 number. SH, how many character? 1 1. And amount, I chose 10 character. Basically here for testing we chose 5000. Likewise we used to mention the length of the property. So this is the way we prepare in real time. Right? We identify the fields, based on that we used to map the values. So this is for your understanding purpose. Preparation understanding purpose. Right? Amount 4 character. For example, if I mention runtime value 10,000, there is an option to change, so that I straight away choose 10 character. Means up to 10 characteristic value will allow. Next, come to the recording line. So back button, select recording, click on F4 button. Save. Next, maintain source structure. Execute. Under source we create target structure. What's that? ZG HE0102. Under source we create target structure. Source fields. Execute. So can we create table? So already we created table. Just copy paste. Observe. Can anyone field overrated? ఏదైనా field overrate అయిందా? No one field not overrated. Right? ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా field overrate అయితే system fails the migration. Even LSNW 18 steps కూడా, so all steps are unique fields. There is no overrated fields. Next, structure relation. Display or change icon, create relationship, save. Field mapping and conversion rules. Display or change icon, extras, auto field mapping, no confirmation, enter. So cross check. All fields are mapped. All fields are mapped. Save. Now I prepare the template. Paste special transpose. Right? Again, I copy this data. Now I add some line items. Better I just change GL account numbers, like GL account numbers and dates also. Like 10 already post-dated checks system it won't allow. So I choose 9th month, 13/9/2023, and again 13 choose date 14/9/2023, 15/9/2023. 13 right. So till 13 to 25. And again, I just change the jail account 420001 salaries paid jail account. And here I choose 420002. Rent paid jail account. So salaries, I mean rented to check issue, salaries paid to check issue. Total how many items we have? So total the count is number of count. Hey, 260 lines ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. Roll shift down. How many items? 26 line items. Better to change values like salaries 420002, which is costing 25,000. Right? Now copy data. Copy data. Open text file. What's the source file code? So ZG light ava light on J. So ZG HE0101, right? Close the file. Now we upload this file. Specify files. So ZG HE0101. So here GL posting, tabulator, enter. Save. So next assign files. Read data. How many files we have? 26 line items. Next, display read data. Convert data. Twenty-six files converted. Display converted data. Right? How many? 26 lines converted. Create batch input session. Run batch input session. Process. Display errors only. Process. Session overview. What's the session status? Process. So /n fs, I mean FB03. How many documents we have? 60 documents. Like see here. Double click on the document. Rent paid check issue. What's that? 24.9. Again 25.9. So let me choose different jail accounts with different principles as monthly wise. As monthly wise. Like for example, I choose expenses first photo series. Photo 0001 rent paid. Photo 0002 salaries paid. Photo 0003 power bill paid. Photo 0004 telephone expenses. 5 traveling expenses. 6 advertisement, 7 fuel charges. 420012, 420009, 9 వరకు ఉన్నాయి. Let's see here. Photo 0009. So the month of 01/04/2023. So these 9 documents of first of April. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1st of April 2023. And again 01/05/2023. One 5/2023. So observe, first line is the April month, second one May month. Again June month. For June month 01/06/2023. Right? June month. For example, I used to update 3 months data. And even values also. First salary, rent paid 50,000. And again salary is 1 lakh. What's the third one? Power bill 5,000. Fourth one, telephone expenses 2,500. And traveling expenses 5,000. After that advertisement 10,000. Fuel charges 5,000. After that vehicle maintenance 2,000. And repairs 1,000. Lot 1,500. Something wrong. 1 2 3. This is 2,500. This is 5,000. This is 10,000. 5,000. And what is the line? 8. 8th line for vehicle maintenance 2,000. And 9th one 1,500. Right. Again, so debit is equal to credit value. Debit is equal to credit value. Even dates also. Clear? So sheet prepared. So here I used to post 9 different type of expenses, 3 months data. What's that? 3 months data. Copy. Already we created the text format file, right? Open the same file. First remove old data. Update new data. Close. Save and close. Open your SAP file. LSNW. Execute. So specify file. Remove the old file. Update new file. ZG HG0101. Name LSNW, sorry, GL posting, tabulator. Okay. So total how many? 9 into 3, 27 line items. Assign files. Read data. 27 line items. So display read data. How many? 27 line items. Convert data. How many? 27. Display converted data. 27 fields converted. Create batch input session. One batch input folder with 27 transactions created. Run batch input session. Process. Display errors only. Process. I guess the last number 60, right? 60 plus 27, 87 documents in the system it will show. Session overview. /n FB03. So document list, execute. Observe. Right. So let me check ledger balances. FBL 3N. Here check issue. See, 1/4/2023, the first time which you uploaded. So render paid. See, 1st of April. Again, 1st of May, 1st of June. Right, 50,000, 50,000, 50,000. And first time we uploaded 5,000 balances. Like see here, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89. So this is one of the methods. So for transaction data compared to LSNW, BDC is very easy. We prepare template, run application, we just change the date. But drawback is there. If wrongly entered, we take approval, hierarchy approval for reversal, hierarchy approval for reversal. But in this, there is an option to get mistakes, right? So whatever end user provided, we just convert data in our SAP template format. What is SAP template? This is our template. So what are, see, like here we used to understand what nature of data client will provide to you. Like client end user, he just mentioned date and as end user provided data, this one, either tally or QuickBooks or Intuit or any data. What we will do? This is the raw data. So GL posting data, the data which we convert into our SAP format and upload the data, upload the file. So first time it is bit typical. So after that, what we do, we just update the data and go to specify file, delete the old file and update the new file and run application. Clear? So as of this weekend, so have more scenarios. First one, LSNWGL and LSNW transaction data, BDC transaction data, and petty cache. So once you complete this, then you just test the scenario of park document, hold document, held document, etc. Clear? This. So these are the successful outputs of GL concepts. GL concepts. Even if you try it off, instead of salaries paid to check issue, I choose customer debit to sales revenue. The only instead of GL account number, I choose customer number. The procedure format, everything is same. Even purchase debit to vendor, procedure format is same, right? Only GL accounts may vary. The web aspect is everything is same, right? This. Next class will be on Monday. From Monday to next Friday, we'll discuss 2 hour session. In Monday, the first session which I complete, house bank and test cases of house bank. Once I complete, we start off receivables and payables. Receivables and payables. Again, that's a version. So this is basically one version, that is versions of version. Because taxes, almost you're expecting minimum 3 to 4 questions. Withholding tax, you're expecting 7 to 8 questions. For a single line item output of withholding tax, we have 52 step configurations are there. On LSNB GLO, we configure only 13 steps. 12 steps configuration, 13 steps we get output. But in TDS, 52 step configuration. Very, very lengthiest scenario. And the debt scenario is TDS. In entire SAP, not in finance. And SAP మొత్తం మీద డెట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ అంటే TDS. మీకు TDS అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చిందంటే మీకు SAP వచ్చినట్టే. And as a FI consultant, your prior duty is taxes only. ఇది ఫస్ట్ లో కొంచెం హార్డ్ వర్క్, బట్ వన్స్ మీకు అలవాటు అయిందంటే ఇట్స్ ఫింగర్ పిన్. అఫ్ కోర్స్ నాకు తెలిసి జిఎల్ మైగ్రేషన్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్ లెవెల్. సో ఫస్ట్ ద ఫేస్ కనుక మీరు ఐడెంటిఫై చేశారంటే ఫస్ట్ ఫేస్ ఫీల్స్ ద టాస్క్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ, ఇట్స్ యువర్ ఫింగర్ పిన్, రైట్? ఎనీవే టుడే విల్ షేర్ దిస్ ఎక్సెల్ ఫైల్. సో నాకే ఫీల్డ్స్ వచ్చాయి, మీకు అవే ఫీల్డ్స్ వస్తాయి, చేంజెస్ ఏమీ లేవు కదా. క్లియర్? సో ద సాటర్డే సండే ప్లీజ్ యూటిలైజ్ ద టైమ్ టు కంప్లీట్ ఆల్ దీస్ scenarios. So Monday we'll start off the fresh page, house bank master data. Clear? Right. Remember guys, LSNW, BDC for master data, transaction data, these are same streamlines in HANA also. And make sure it's HANA lo kuda. Observe the fields. So basically in HANA, controlling is required. See, this is controlling field and value date required. So that 2 fields will add on. Observe the procedure. Same format. Same format. Right? Fine. Sir, why can't you show practically in this HANA migration? Yes. See here guys, the ECC data which I copy. The ECC data which I copy. Same sheet copy చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి. Copy. Right? Now in HANA, clear? And I add these properties and all, like what is this 0104. Control C, Control V. First of all, I used to check the GL account properties. GL account properties. First, I close the page and log in GUI. So FS00 expenses 42001 rent paid, salaries paid. So there is no 3, 4. What is 03? Formula. Next, telephone bill. And rent, salaries, power bill, telephone bill, 5 travel expenses, 6 advertisement. Three, 4 missing. What is 4? Telephone expenses. Five, travel expenses. 5 travel expenses. 6 advertisement. So 7 fuel charges. So 8 vehicle maintenance. And 9 repairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now it is compatible to our ECC version. Right. In HANA, first I elevate the first data. So this is our data. So April, May, June, 3 months data we have. 16. It's everything clear, right? 141516. Copy. Save. Now, before that, let me check the last document number. /n FB03. Document list. Execute. What's the last document number? 16. So how many documents which you upload? 9 into 3, 27 documents. Document number from 17. LSNW. So ZG. This is our company code. Execute. So specify file. delete old file. Now update new file. So ZGL FB50. So GL posting tabulator. Assign files. See, data was saved. So next read data, execute 27 line items. So display read data. How many? 27 line items. Convert data. 27 line items converted. Display converted data. 27 line items converted. Create batch input session. Run batch input session. Process. Display res only. Process. Session overview. So /n FB03. What's the last document number? 43. See here. Right? This. In ACC, if you focus on a practical manner, easy to migrate data in HANA. Here in HANA, we used to identify what are the actual changes. That's double click on document. Observe the same data, whatever we have ECC, the same data which you uploaded in HANA. Right? So please utilize the time to complete the task. So next task will be on Monday morning, 8 o'clock. From 8 to 10. The next 5 days, Monday to Friday, I will schedule 8 to 10. Right. Yes. Any questions as of the day, class?